Hi.
You want to do that? Hi. Hello.
Hi. I'm Natasha. It's so weird saying your own name. Like that in itself is weird. Okay. I'm Natasha. I'm a single mom. These are my 4 kiddos, Malachi, Angelo, Isaiah, and Selah. I'm the founder of Adora. We're a globally recognized, mission-driven beauty brand. We're known for our mascaras and our eyeliners and our eye makeup products. But really what I want to share with you today is just the mission of our brand and how things have changed lately for us. So a lot of people don't know this, but a few years ago, my husband at the time, Andrew, and I together started this company. You know, we were a happy family. We got our 4 kids. We're growing our business, and things were going so well until 2015 hit. And at that time, our youngest daughter was only 1 year old, and Andrew was 34, and he was diagnosed with colorectal cancer. So despite our shock and our devastation, you know, we still continued to live our life. We took care of our kids, we took care of our company, and things seemed to be going amazing on the outside. But after Christmas 2018, things took a sudden change for the worse. And Andrew, he had just turned 37. It was a week after he turned 37, he suddenly passed away. And at that time, it left me at 33 years old with our 4 little kids, 8, 7, 5, and 3. I remember feeling so devastated. My last memory of Andrew was I had my hand on his heart, just like right on his chest, right in the hospital. And I literally felt his heartbeat for the last time. If that doesn't mess you up, I don't know what does. But I remember, you know, a little bit of time had passed and I was sitting in my kitchen table thinking to myself, I can't quit. I have to keep going for my kids, for my team. A lot of people don't know this, but a lot of my team members are Venezuelan refugees. They've had to leave their countries. They've had to overcome trauma themselves. They, you know, have been robbed and they've had to leave, you know, complete political unrest and rebuild their lives in other countries like in Argentina and the US. So for me, I couldn't stop what I was doing. I had to keep going. But it really became fuel for me to change our mission and what Adora was about. You know, when you go through stuff, the good thing that comes from it causes you to really question why you're doing what you're doing. And really like, is this meaningful? Am I actually making a difference in what I'm doing? And that really became the focus of Adora. So as a brand, we got laser focused with our products. We got rid of stuff that we didn't fully believe in and got really focused on improving our formulas for, you know, our makeup products and, you know, getting ready to come out with some amazing new health and wellness supplements that will help our women feel better, because so many of you ladies talking to you are like me. You know, you're busy moms, your grandmas, you're just women that are so busy taking care of everybody else, but you want to look good and feel good. And so we're going to be coming out with some formulas for supplements that really help with energy and hormones and stress and anything that I can do to help you feel better. That's what we're coming out with moving forward. But what I'm really excited about that I wanted to share with you is the mission of Adora. So we've partnered with some amazing organizations that are doing some pretty cool things around the world. So one thing that is really near and dear to my heart is how crazy it is that we have human slaves around the world. Sex trade industry is crazy right now. So, you know, historically we've had over 6 million people in the Holocaust that were victims and slaves of that. We've had over 12 million African American slaves, which is unimaginable. But you know what's crazy is right now we have over 30 million human slaves around the world. 2 million of which are children in the sex trade industry. 2 million, you guys. This is crazy. So these two organizations that Adora is partnering with financially, one is called A21, and the other one you're going to hear about is the Underground Railroad. And what I love about them is that they're going in there and they're not only saving these girls, but they're giving them entrepreneurial skills to help rebuild their lives so they can to build a new life for themselves. The second organization that I'm super proud to be partnering with is called Charity Water. And they're a legit foundation, and they're going in there, they're going to these villages where they have no clean water still, which is crazy, and they're putting clean water wells in there. The crazy thing about this is that it's women and girls that are giving up their education, they're giving up their dreams to go out and spend hours fetching waters for their family. So by having these wells there, they can, have more time to an opportunity to build a better life for themselves and for their family. So yeah, that's my hope and my prayer for Adora, is that we can be that loud voice for these girls that are not being heard around the world, that we can be that positive role model in the beauty industry. I just really am so passionate about this that I feel like our young girls, our moms, our grandmas even, we don't have enough positive role models in the beauty industry. So if Adora can be that, if we can be that inspiration and that light and that encouragement to you, because I know you've gone through stuff. I know you have a story. And you might be going through something right now, and I'm really hoping and praying that by me sharing my story, that it'll encourage you, that you can change your story. Because really, we have our sisters around the globe that are just waiting for us to wake up over here where we have all this opportunity and we can go and make a difference around the world, that we can be that light, that we can be that inspiration, and that we can show women that you can live a bold and beautiful life, no matter what you're going through.
Oh,